The Millau Viaduct. Hello, my name is Maria Virginia Millán, and today I'm going to talk about the Millau Viaduct. But first, I want to talk a little about what is a bridge and a brief history about them. Man has built bridges since ancient times. From the very first time when he found a natural obstacle that prevented him to get from one place to another, he decided to build a structure that can overpass these obstacles. Ancient bridges were made of roots, rope, stone, or brick, depending on the history era, the culture of the people that have to construct it, and the technology available. Modern bridges are the evolution of this primitive but important bridge. Now, with the advance of constructive technology and materials, bridges are magnificent artwork of impressive engineer and well-designed architecture. For me, a good piece of architecture is aesthetical, beautiful, useful, and impressive. That's the reason why I choose the Millau Viaduct, this minimalist design of elegant lines that fit perfectly in the context. The Millau Viaduct is located in France, in the department of Auvergne. It is part of the Paris-Montpellier route and was built to cross the Tarn River Valley. The design was in charge of French engineer Millau Viaduct and British architect Norman Foster, and the bridge was inaugurated in December 2004. It is the tallest bridge in the world, with 343 meters in its tallest mast, and has won the Outstanding Structure Award in 2006. It spans a total length of 2,460 meters with a width of 32 meters and a longest span of 342 meters. This project started to solve the traffic problem in the route between France and Spain, where the users have to pass through the Tarn Valley near the town of Millau. The construction of the bridge was imperative to span the valley and alleviate traffic jam. A government tender was made and 7 architects presented their projects. In 1996, the Sokolej Consortium of Norman Foster and Millau Viaduct won the project with a cobble-stay proposal. The bridge has 7 pylons and 7 masts. Each pylon is supported by 4 deep shafts of 5 meters diameter each one, buried 15 meters in the ground. The metallic deck has a total mass of 36,000 tons. It is 2,460 meters long and 32 meters wide, divided in 8 spans. The deck is composed by 173 central beams of 4 meter cross-section. The masts set on top of the pylons are 87 high and have 11 stays anchored between every 2 of them. The metal deck is protected with a flexible surface of bitumen that adapts to the deformation of the deck without broken. The width of 32 meters corresponds to a 4-lane highway. Basically, a team of engineers and architects has to face 4 challenges: build the tallest bridge in the world, to overpass the deepest valleys in France, put 33,000 tons on top of it, arrange 7 steel pylons of 700 tons each one, and do all of this hundreds of meters above the ground. One important goal in the construction of the Millau Viaduct was that it was finished before 3 years. From December 16 of 2004, it has already been taken by 40 million vehicles. To end this brief review about the Millau Viaduct, I want to talk about 2 curiosities I have found. The first one is that the viaduct has its own website, leviaductdemillau.com, where you can find information about the traffic and the weather condition in real time, beside the toll rate, a gallery of impressive pictures, and an interesting articles about it. The second one is that there has been 2 editions of the Eiffage Millau Viaduct race. The 3rd edition will take place in May 18, 2014, and by this moment, 9,000 people have registered. This is an enthusiastic race that aroused interest in the community of French runners. I hope you have found this video interesting and useful, and that you like the Millau Viaduct as much as I do.